It is protest versus protest in Maharashtra. Maharashtra opposition protest over Shivaji statue. The opposition alliance Maha Vikas Aghadi is holding a protest in Mumbai over Shivaji statue collapse. That protest march has in fact begun. Top leaders of the Maha Vikas Aghadi are also part of this protest. Now, on one hand, the Maha Vikas Aghadi is holding these big agitations on the issue of vandalizing the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and in response, the BJP is also holding agitations in 12 different districts. And my colleague Anuj Rayate joins us live right now. Anuj, what can you tell us? You are there on the ground. What can you tell us about these protests? It is protest versus protest. One protest is happening where you are at the ground, and it is also expected that there are 12 different protests by the government that is going to take place, the Mahayuti Alliance that is going to take place today.
Yes, indeed. You see the place around here, where I'm standing at the moment, Hutatma Chowk. This is where the Maha Vikas Aghadi had announced their protest today, and you can see a large number of people have turned up here, mostly from Shiv Sena, but pretty much people or workers from all the three primary parties, opposition parties, that is Shiv Sena, NCP and the Indian National Congress. We see that several leaders have also made their way through, be it Arvind Sawant, Varshatai Gaikwad or even Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj have come here to protest here with the public. But as you rightly said, that BJP is also holding protests in 12 different districts today here in Maharashtra, and that is to stop the politicization over the matter of Chhatrapati's statue falling in Sindhudurg on the 26th of last month. We saw the Prime Minister of the country apologizing in a public rally a couple of days ago, but that does not seem to have diluted the matter at all, because the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Prithviraj Chavan, said that apology is not all that you can do. There is the need for a transparent probe into this particular matter. And why has the accused, why is the primary accused not been caught yet? Why is he still absconding? And the person they've caught is the structural consultant of their statue. And of course, we also saw the attempts by the Chief Minister to shrug this entire matter off and try to push it on the on the Navy. But the Navy later said that it was a project primarily driven by the Navy, but it was done in cooperation with the government. Maharashtra. Now we'll talk to a few of these protesters here to try and understand about a little more about the protests. मैडम, आप बताइए कि यहाँ पे महा विकास आघाड़ी के सारे अलग-अलग पार्टीज के नेता या वर्कर यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं और प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने ऑलरेडी माफी मांग ली है, तो आगे डिमांड्स क्या है प्रोटेस्टर्स की? माफी हमेशा मांगते हैं, लेकिन ये माफी मांगने के लायक नहीं है। ये माफी का है क्या? आप कितने बड़े-बड़े जो किले हमारे हम लोग उनको देवता मानते हैं, और ये देवता को आप पूछते नहीं हो, और ऐसी बातें माफी से होती नहीं है। Okay, so this is the mood of the protesters here, and we also have Ms. Varshatai Gaikwad, and we'd like to talk to. One second. Varshatai, we are live on NDTV. We saw that the Prime Minister apologized on this matter a couple of days ago, and yet so many people have turned up here to protest. What more is it that the protesters demand from the Prime Minister?
Prime Minister एक बार नहीं 100 बार भी माफी मांगे, सब माफी मांगे, लेकिन ये जो चीज हुई है, ये महाराष्ट्र के स्वाभिमान को ठेस पहुंची है, महाराष्ट्र की अस्मिता को ठेस पहुंची है। आप समझते हो, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का स्टैचू नहीं गिरा है, महाराष्ट्र का स्वाभिमान गिरा है। मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि शिव छत्रपति महाराज और जो महाराष्ट्र है उसको आप अलग नहीं कर सकते। आज हमारे अस्मिता पे चोट आई है, और ऐसे समय में हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं वो ये बात करें कि देखिए 8 महीने में स्टैचू गिरा, उसको बनाने के लिए 6 महीना लगा, 236 करोड़ का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया, किसके दोस्त को दिया? वो फरार है आज भी। इतना निकृष्ट दर्जे का काम हुआ जिसका उद्घाटन देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर के हाथों से हुआ, तो जिम्मेदारी तो लेनी होगी। राज्य सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री उप मुख्यमंत्री का जब तक राजीनामा नहीं आएगा तब तक हमारा संघर्ष जारी रहेगा। बीजेपी भी आज के दिन बहुत सारे अलग 12 जिलों में प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? देखिए वो किस बात का प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, किस बात का कर रहे हैं? वो चाहते हैं कि जो पॉलिटिसाइजेशन है छत्रपति, किस बात का पॉलिटिसाइजेशन हो रहा है? शर्म आनी चाहिए उनको। पहले तो उनको सबसे बड़ा बात यह है कि उनके कार्यकाल में इतना बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है। 8 महीने में एक स्टैचू गिरता है, वो भी शिव छत्रपति महाराज का स्टैचू गिरता है। क्या बोल रही है? अरे महाराष्ट्र का आपको सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आराध्य देवता है, महाराष्ट्र से अलग नहीं कर सकते आप इनको। और महाराष्ट्र के स्वाभिमान और अस्मिता से खेलने वालों को जनता भी सबक सिखाएगी और उनकी कुर्सियां भी हम लोग खाली करने तक ये संघर्ष करते रहेंगे.
Thank you. This was Varshatai Gaikwad, the MP from the Congress party here in Mumbai, making it very clear that the protests won't stop until the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Ministers resign from their position. Back to you.
Right, Anuj, thank you very much for getting all those voices from the ground. In fact, my colleague Anuj, he also spoke to Arvind Samant, the leader of the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray Shiv Sena. Let's listen into that conversation.
We have senior Shiv Sena MP, Mr. Arvind Samant, here with us. Sir, tell us that at this time, when protests are going on here in Mumbai, same time the BJP is also conducting protests across the state against this particular protest. What would you like to say about it?
They should be ashamed of it. You have insulted the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who is for us is an idol, is an icon for us, for whom we used to bow down and then work throughout our life. Even the government says we believe in the thoughts which have been laid down by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and still you are violating it. You don't feel ashamed of it? The separate flags which were hosted here, they have been removed yesterday. What a great thing police have done. Hindutva ki baat karte. You speak about Hindutva and you remove the saffron flags over here. Don't you feel ashamed of it? The saffron flag belongs to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The saffron flag belongs to Maharashtra. Don't touch it. You are insulting every moment the feelings of the people of Maharashtra.
So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi apologized for this in Malvan a couple of days ago, and after that we saw Mr. Fadnavis say that even after this, if the opposition is protesting, it is...
Why he was silent so much? Did he apologize? And then the Honorable Prime Minister comes and apologizes. It's not to politicize. It's a political statement, just for the sake of the election, which is ensuing election in Maharashtra. Why he kept silent for so many days? After so many days, he is speaking out here. When he arrives in Maharashtra, goes to Vadhavan Port, and then he speaks about it. That apology also will not stand, because people know it is a political statement.